as my grade 5s. I'm so happy to see you today. Although I'm teaching you through this AI video. It's the method we chose as a class to help us learn from home. How exciting! I want you to know that I'm proud of every one of you. You are truly my best team.
Now,
Let's get started and give it our best. Today's topic is South Africa's landforms. We'll be learning about 3 important ones: the coastal plain, the escarpment, and the plateau. These landforms are key features that shape the landscape of South Africa. Let's start with the coastal plain. It is a flat, low-lying area next to the ocean, found along the east and west coasts of South Africa. Usually has sandy beaches, vegetation, and is good for farming and tourism. Examples: areas near Durban, KwaZulu-Natal, and Cape Town, Western Cape. My grade 5. Let's talk about the escarpment. This is a steep slope or cliff that separates 2 areas of different elevation. Forms a natural barrier between the coastal plain and the interior plateau, known as the Great Escarpment in South Africa. Examples: the Drakensberg Mountains are part of the escarpment. Here are the pictures for Drakensberg Mountains and videos showing the escarpment.
I-escarpment umqansa noma iwa elihlukanisa izindawo ezimbili eziphakeme ezihlukene. Yakha umgoqo wemvelo phakathi kwethafa elingasogwini kanye nethafa elingaphakathi, eyaziwa ngokuthi i-Great Escarpment eNingizimu Afrika. Izibonelo: izintaba zokhahlamba ziyingxenye ye-escarpment.